cat.
नहीं an पूछो an
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 an an what is an
an क्या बना can
what is an can
Good morning.
okay and then what is up yeah good morning Shravanya what is up
up
up up
क्या बना
up क्या है
इसको जोड़ो क up क्या बना क up क्या बना
Cup.
हाँ she said cup
cup okay then what is 80
हाँ ये क्या है
what is 80
80 80 क्या होता है at
at
क्या बना क्या
at
क्या बना क
at
हाँ
cat very good what is ar
हाँ ar क्या हुआ
It's not a cat.
this is cat ma a
ar
this one
क्या होता
ar
Yeah.
r
r
r
चुप एक मिनट मैम
क
की बात
r क्या होता है क r
r नहीं बेटा car क्या होता है car
very good car thank you Madhya next is Ilango
ma'am சொல்லிடுங்க yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
come on what is an
An.
k an
And ran.
k and rana k and
can சொல்லு பாரு என்னன்னு சொல்லு
Can.
இங்க பாரு
can others take your English notebook and copy these words children except Ilango others take your English notebook write today's date and copy these 4 words okay and then what is up Ilango what is up
UP.
what is up
UP up சொல்லுங்க
UP up.
up k up k up
சத்தமா சொல்லு
Up.
cup very good what is 80
head.
80
80 80 ma
பாரு இல்லங்கோ 80 என்னது
80 at.
k at
at
k at
சத்தமா
Cat.
cat very good what is ar
R.
r okay k r
R.
k r k r
blend பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க
k r car very good Ilango come on take your notebook and copy it down can cup cat car Shravanya what is this word
இது
an
n
an k an next up can up
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 சி என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க?
யூபி என்னது? யூபி என்னதுமா? யூபி, what is யூபி?
U P
up.
up
K up,
cup
cup. Very good. Next one, what is AT?
at
At. K at.
ka at cat
Huh? K at. Cat. Very good. What is AR? AR என்னது?
R
R. K R.
cut
Car. Very good. Copy down in your notebook. Mokshita. Mokshita.
yes ma'am
Read this word. What is AN? An. And then?
ka and can
Very good. Next, what is UP? UP? Up. K up.
cup
Cup. Good. AT. What is AT?
at
At. K at.
cat
Cat. Good. Next, what is AR?
odd
R. K R.
odd
Car.
car
Car. Very good. Car. Now come on, copy it down. Very good, Mokshita. Tilakar.
thank you ma'am
Yeah, welcome, ma. Good morning, Tilakar. Read this word. What is AN? Huh? AN? What word is this, ma?
Adi.
Mama. Huh? Okay, K and? K and? K and என்னது? Can. Can.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு.
Okay. What is UP? UP என்னதுமா? UP. Up. K up.
சேர்த்து சொல்லு.
Cup. Very good. AT. Cat. Ata. Cat spelling. Okay. AR. Car. கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சா? Okay, fine. Come on, copy it down in your notebook. Can, cup, cat, car. Finish. Can, cup, cat, car. Only 4 words. Then copy it down first. Finished? Come on, those who are finished. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, everyone. Stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes.
Ma'am, Nimalan wants to tell ma'am.
Okay, come on, Nimalan. It's the anthem.
சொல்ல சொல்றாங்க, சொல்ல வெயிட் பண்றாங்க மேம். வெயிட் பண்றாங்கம்மா. தெளிவா சொல்லு.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning, children. Come on, stand up for the warm-up activity. Warm-up activity, come on.
Come on, let's go and come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, let's go and come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile! Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle! Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop!
Very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
बोलो बोलो
Very good, Adya. Ilango.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra is absent. Nitish. Kevin.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Srinija.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Tilakar. Shravanya.
Here I am, Shania.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan.
Yes, கம்முனு இரு.
Nimalan.
சொல்றாங்க சொல்லு.
Okay, marking you, Nimalan. Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Many absentees today. Okay, come on, children. Take your rough notebook. Take a rough notebook. Take a pencil and bring your color pencils or crayons also. Is ready? Take a rough notebook. You will have a plain notebook, right? Take that notebook.
Adya can use English one, ma'am. We haven't brought
Yeah,
that.
any notebook. English notebook or rough notebook. Is ready? Let's keep your notebook in a landscape way, children. Not in a portrait way, in a landscape way. Ready, all of you? Okay, first we are going to draw a house. Draw a triangle and then join a square to it. And then for the door, draw a small rectangle. Draw a house first. First a triangle. And then a square. And then a small rectangle. Finish?
Finish.
Then we are going to draw a sun here. Draw a sun. Finish?
Finish.
Okay. Next you are going to draw a tree here. First two curves like this. Okay? And then a tree. Finish. Okay, now draw small birds like R. Small letter R or V. Small birds like this. This will be your road, children. Okay. Try, children. Slowly try it. Try it on your own. And then a small bush here. Bush. That's it. And here also we have a small bush. Right? Shrija, finish, huh?
Ma'am. Yes.
Little bit closer. It's not very clear. Yeah, good. Good, Ma Srinija, good. Now come on, take your colors and color. Color the sun, color the tree, color the house.
Ma'am, she's not having colors right now, ma'am.
Crayons also, va?
Yes,
She's
ma'am, we
not
are out
having any
actually.
colors or crayons. Ah, okay. Okay, fine, leave it. If she doesn't have, no issues.
Yes, ma'am. We too didn't bring, ma'am.
Okay, just finish drawing it.
Okay.
Nimalan finish, ah. Crying, Nimalan, ah. Finish but crying. Finish, children. Himalayan, don't waste your time. Bring any toy and speak about your toy. Let others finish their coloring activity. Bring your toy. Srinij also bring any toy. Can be a transport toy, whatever it is. Bring it and tell me about your toy. Hmm. Come on. Speak about your toy.
அது வையே அடிக்காத சுதாக சொல்லு.
What is it?
बताओ.
இது என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
Huh?
So first
This
gun.
is a gun.
சரி கன் என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கு? இத விட்டு இத மட்டும் கன்னு மட்டும் சொல்லு.
Gun is blue in color.
சத்தமா சொல்லுமா.
Next. Okay. Then, do you like to play with gun?
அவுக்காத.
Do
சொல்லு
you
மேம்
like to play with gun?
என்ன உனக்கு விளையாட தெரியுமா?
Yes or
எஸ் மேம்
no?
சொல்லு.
Yes, I like to play with gun.
சொல்லு மேம் சொல்றது சொல்லு. I like to play with gun அப்படின்னு சொல்லு.
Like
சத்தமா சொல்லுமா.
play with gun. Very good. Others also go bring any toys, children, your favorite toy, and you are going to tell me about your toy today, okay? Yes, next is Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what did you bring?
We just spin it.
Huh?
The spinner, ma'am.
Spinner. Okay.
The spinner.
What color is it?
And it's like yellow.
Yellow color. It has a light
Yellow
also.
color. Yes.
Okay. Colorful light. Very good. Very nice. Then, who bought you that? Who bought it for you?
And birthday party.
Huh? Who bought it, ma? Mummy or daddy?
Return gift.
Sorry?
Return gift.
Gift.
It's a written
Where
gift
did
to
you
her,
go?
ma'am.
Okay, where did you go? You got a return gift.
Birthday party.
You went to a birthday party and you got a return gift. Okay, you like to play with that spinner?
Yes.
Do you like to play with that spinner?
Yes.
Yes, I like to play with spinner.
It is a pen because it's don't write.
It will not write.
It don't write.
Don't write. Okay, fine. Thank you, Srinija. Next, who is ready with the toy? Kevin. Come on, Kevin.
Kevin, what is this?
Ball.
This is a ball.
This is a ball.
Ball.
What color is this?
This is a ball.
What color is this?
Ball.
What color?
What color is it?
What color is it?
Watermelon.
Watermelon is a ball.
Watermelon. What color is your ball? Ball oda color ennadu?
It's dinosaur.
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 Ma'am.
What color is your dinosaur irka? Okay, color ennamma? What is the color of that ball?
What color?
Red.
Red. Okay, ball is red in color. With whom will you play? With whom will you play with this ball? யார் கூட விளையாடுவீங்க ball வச்சு?
சொல்லு உன்கிட்ட கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க மேம் வந்து பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க. சொல்லு யார் கூட
With whom will you play, ma? Huh? You will play alone. தனியா விளையாடுவீங்களா?
Kevin,
Yes or no?
who will you play?
Okay, fine. Thank you, ma Kevin. Next, who is ready with your toy? Mokshita, va. Who is ready? Ilango is ready. Very good, Ilango. Come on, Ilango. What is the toy you have in your hand?
I like the blue. I like to play blue monster truck. I like to play blue monster truck. The
Monster truck.
color black and this. And
How many wheels does it have?
the
How many wheels are there?
red. And these are black because and this is blue and this is black and window black. This is black.
Okay. How many wheels? How many wheels is
How many wheels are there?
Two.
Two. Only two. Count it.
One component.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many wheels?
2 wheels.
2 wheels on one side. Total எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 1, 2,
3, 4,
4.
5.
4. How many wheels?
4.
Four wheels. Okay. What type of transport is that?
That is
Land transport, air transport, or water transport? What transport is that?
சொல்லுங்க. Land, water, air. சொல்லுங்க, what type of transport is it?
land.
Land. Very good. It is a land transport. Thank you, Mailango. Next is Mokshita.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Mokshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Mokshita.
Is this my Dora toys?
Okay.
The favorite toys. I play with this toys.
You play with this toy. Very good, huh? That's it, huh?
Pink color.
Huh?
It is pink color.
It is pink in color. Okay. Then
Brown bag.
she is wearing a brown color bag. I can't see the bag. Where is the bag? Brown color bag. எங்க இருக்கு? Is it brown color bag? Purple. Very good. Purple color bag. Okay. Next. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Well tried. Very good, Mokshita. Next is Adya Sharma is ready. Yeah, welcome, Mokshita. Adya is ready.
Okay.
मैम को बता दो किट्टी के बारे में.
Hmm.
नीचे बैठो. मैम को बताओ.
What is the name of your toy?
Kitty.
Kitty. Okay, and then?
Peppa.
एक ही बताओ बेटा. क्या दिस इज अ किट्टी?
This is the kitty.
क्या खाती है ये? ड्रिंक.
कैसे खा ले?
मिल्क पीते हैं?
नहीं, his will eat some tomato.
टमाटो?
It's tomato.
If you want a tomato color.
It eats tomato.
So is the kitty.
She drinks milk, Adya. She's playing herself.
Yeah, come on, next.
Manika.
No. Adya.
Okay, tell me about your Papa Pig.
अच्छा. Tell me.
Papa Pig.
Puppy. Tell about Peppa. Adya.
Okay, what color dress is he wearing? What color is that dress?
Adya. She is not.
Yeah, she's playing, I can see. Okay, fine. Thank you, Adya. Who is ready next? Tilakar. Yeah, come on, finish it fast. Children, power cut here. We'll end up the session as soon as we finish this. Come on, Tilakar. What toy did you bring? Tilakar. Tilakar. Okay, Shravanya, come on, tell me about your toy, ma. Shravanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about your toy.
This is name Thomas 3.
Mm.
Green,
Mm.
the green and color.
Mm.
Blue wagon.
Mm.
Orange wagon.
Orange wagon. What type of transport is that?
Land transport.
Land transport. Very good. Next. That's it.
This is a travel.
This is a. What is that?
People can travel.
People can travel. Very good. Then. That's all.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Very good, Shravanya. Okay. Big round of applause for everyone, children. Okay. Now I want you to take your worksheet, children. JR culmination worksheet. Culmination worksheet PH. Here, letters are given. According to the letter, you have to circle the related picture. For example, T for tree. Circle tree. Okay, next. S is given. Sun. Like that, you have to look at the correct picture and circle. Junior KG culmination PH. Culmination worksheet. Days will not be given. It will be written as culmination here. After that, before number, after number worksheet we have done, right? After that it will be. Okay, first Nimal and T for what will you circle? T for
இந்த டீக்கு இங்க என்ன சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிருக்குன்னு மேம் சொல்லு.
T for tree.
Very good. T for tree. Okay. Next letter is S. Children, what will you circle for S? S for sun, cat, tub, bathtub or fox. Which will you circle?
மேம் சொல்லு.
Sun.
Sun. Very good, Manimalan. Thank you. Next letter is B.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, ma. B. What will you circle? You have a panda here, bear, grapes, and a vessel here. What will you circle? Which picture will you circle, Mailango? B for?
Page number once again, ma'am. Culmination worksheet.
Yeah, culmination PH.
CH.
PH.
Culmination PH. Okay.
Ilango, see here. B for what will you circle here? Look at the screen. B for what will you circle? Panda, bear, and then grapes and vessel. What?
B for
Bear.
Bear. Very good. B for bear. Very good. Next is M. Shravanya, what will you circle for letter M? What will you circle for letter M? M for?
I have not got the page, ma'am. It is culmination 4 or 3?
Culmination 4. Don't search in culmination 3. Culmination 4.
Okay.
After day 105 only you will have this.
Okay. What is your question, ma'am?
M for.
M
M for which picture will you circle? You have a bed, moon, cow. Which will you circle? M for
Moon.
moon. Very good. Well done. Next is L. Srinija. L for what will you circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Lotus. Very good, Srinija. Next is Y. Y for which picture you will circle, Mokshita? Y for?
L for என்னமா சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுவீங்க?
Y for what will you circle here? You have a yacht, sun, fish and tree.
L. இது என்னது?
Y for?
Crab. இது crab. இது?
Y for? Okay, yellow also you can circle. Yacht also you have here. Yacht.
Lotus. L. Lotus. இது circle பண்ணு. Circle பண்ணு. L for lotus.
Finish? Those are finished. Take the next page. We are going to tick the pairs. Okay, next page.
Ma'am, can you please tell me that before after page number?
Before this page you will have.
That page number, please, ma'am.
This is also culmination sheet. Let me tell you the worksheet number before. D109 ERP. You will have the sentence page.
Okay, ma'am. D109.
D109 ERP worksheet will be there. After that, if you move on to 3 pages, you will get this 4 pages. Okay, you will get this sheet. Those are finished this worksheet. You can take the next worksheet here. In this, we are going to take only the pairs, children. Pair means shoe and socks, table and chair, lock and key, notebook and pencil, cup and saucer. Like that, it will be in pair. That only we are going to tick it, okay? So, first picture is notebook and pencil. Will it go together? Notebook, pencil will go together, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So, put a tick mark. And next is a gift box and a plate. Will it go together?
No.
No. So put a X here, cross mark here. It will not go together. The third picture is cup and a mug or a cap. Sorry, cup and a cap. Will it go together? Kappu capu parapoma? No. So put a cross mark. Next is toothpaste and a toothbrush. Will it go together? Yes, put a tick mark. And then bat and ball.
Yes.
Bat and ball. Yes, very good. Put a tick mark. And then last is shoe and socks.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Tick mark. The only thing which will not go together is gift box and a plate, cap and a cup. 2 pictures, it will not go together. It will not be in pairs. Other pictures are pair only. Shoe and socks, bat and ball, toothpaste and toothbrush, book and pencil.
We don't have worksheets, ma'am, but she has missed a lot of her math worksheets, so I've given her that. She's doing that.
Okay, fine.
Uh,
Till number 80 we have finished till now for culmination 4. Okay.
yeah, I've seen.
Finished, children? Yes, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, and thank you, children. Yes, bye and thank you, children.
गई मैम, चली गई, ठीक है।